Use a voice changer in Roblox VC without ID. A voice changer has nothing to do with age verification. It changes how you sound, not who Roblox thinks you are. The without ID part is real though. Roblox lets you complete the required age check with facial age estimation instead of a government document, and there is no legitimate way around the check itself. Except that the age check is mandatory. Since early 2026, voice and text chat require a completed age check, and you must be 13 or older in a supported region. No voice changer, VPN, or third-party tool changes that. Check your account details first. Make sure your account's birth date is accurate and your region supports voice chat. A mismatch here is the usual reason the option never appears. Open the age check in Settings. Go to Settings, Account Info, Age Group, and choose the selfie option to start facial age estimation, the no document route. Complete the face scan properly. Use a well-lit room, remove hats, glasses, and filters, and follow the camera prompts. The scan takes under a minute, and the video is processed by a third-party vendor and then deleted. If the estimate is wrong, correct it the official way. You can retry, upload an ID later, or have a parent verify the account through parental controls. Those are the only accepted routes. Turn voice chat on. Once age checked, enable voice in your settings and connect with the headphone icon inside any experience whose developer supports voice. Install the voice changer on PC or Mac. Download it from the official site, accept the virtual audio driver during setup, restart, and set your real mic as the app's input. Point Roblox at the virtual microphone. Select the virtual device as your system default input, then choose the same device in Roblox's audio settings and test it in a quiet server. Tip: the mistake worth avoiding is chasing bypass videos that suggest VPN region swapping, borrowed IDs, or scanning someone else's face. Those violate Roblox's terms and get accounts permanently banned,